Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. This is Rambeard, and I'm showing you a game that I played as Grinder Mage against a Dragon Priest. The deck list is on the side. And it was a really intense game. I think this game really shows very nicely what Grinder Mage is capable of, why it's such an awesome deck to play, where you just utterly grind out your opponent. Yeah, it was a very fun game. It's a very lengthy game. And I was quite tired when I was playing this, so in the beginning and at some points later on as well, my voice is rather soft, so I've added some captions so you understand what I'm saying. Later on I get a bit more excited though as the game is progressing, because it went into a very intense late game. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. I haven't posted Hearthstone in a while, of course, but yeah, enjoy. Yeah. It's okay. Not an amazing hand. That's a good draw. Give me all the cards. Four, 5, 6, and then I don't know. Maybe 4? Nah. This is fine. I don't value water elemental very highly in this matchup. As priests don't have weapons. We'll probably have to sheep one of the bigger cards, like a Sylvanus. So I'll keep it around for them. But I think that if he makes this trade, then I will happily sheep one of these. I think I'll actually do that. Oh, yeah. I could. What could I? This seems like it's okay. I'm thinking either Frostbolt, Bing. Frostbolt, Bing. Yeah, why not just Frostbolt this one, Bing that one? These are not very threatening. This one is. If you have Circle or something, yeah. Can't leave that up. I have the sheep in hand for if he tries to buff one of these very highly. Next turn is Dr. Boom. Okay, that's a buff. Don't really mind those having that much HP, to be honest. I don't think the dragon version runs Entomb, right? Pretty sure it doesn't actually. See if Dr. Boom can clean both of these up. That would be sweet. Light Bomb would be good for him, I reckon. What am I playing next turn? I'm thinking Belcher, Scientist, Belcher, Ping. Scientist is a bit risky with bombs on the board. I really don't want to duplicate those namely. See Shadow Madness, Cabal. Ah, Cabal. Wish I could KT, but no. Probably take it very slow here. Hit this. It's a nice hit. Do this. Yes. No 4. Okay, good. And I'll play this. Just a nice and steady. Slow game pace. I like that. Keep the blizzard for later. Alright. What's a Nova? Don't want to play KT just like that, of course. What am I actually looking for? I'm not really sure what I'm looking for. I think I want to play Scientist and block. And Bing. Which one? This one. Because then only one of them gets healed rather than two of them. That was very bad phrasing, but this deals more damage in the end. You can do the math. I hope he kills that. That's cool. Duplicate. Duplicato. Kinda want to draw Thorazan. I'm also rather low on health. Do I want to play a single heal bot? He has 9 damage. I'm thinking of either KT or effigy heal bot. I think effigy heal bot is strong. There's some arguments to be made for Bran heal bot, but duplicating Bran would just be terrible. I want to get the effigy out. A random 5-drop is good, with KT especially. Maybe you can clean everything up entirely. That would be too bad, but yeah. Nothing I can't handle. I just want Thorazan, really. Okay, so I have enough healing to last for a very long time. Let's hope I get something good from this. That's not something good. That's not good at all. At least I can now KT ping this. If he decides to heal though. I wonder. Do I just... oh. Maybe I sheep that. Sheep, duplicate, ping. Oh. Hello, mom. That's what we want. I did not actually look at my cards. Okay, it's fine. I will have 9 into 10. Face. What? No entomb. Okay, good. Next one will probably be... I'm not really sure. There's a lot of options here. I kinda want a blizzard, but I think I can delay that until the block is procced. Maybe Emperor Healbot? Though I'd rather play both Healbots with Bran, of course, but it's not a necessity. Don't need to sheep this anymore, I think. He has 9. And then he has... well, enough to proc the block. Maybe I extend the block by just blizzarding. It's just such a shame that I can't play Thorazan with blizzard. Really dislike that. Don't necessarily want to get anything from Deathlord. Let's hope. Oh, that's an okay draw. I can sheep this and flame strike. That will protect me for a very long time. Can also, yeah, that's... how do I deal with what's coming though? What do they have? They have Ysera. Yeah, I need sheep for Ysera. That's for shit. That's for certain. Yeah, it's gonna be Blizzard Healbot with the idea of flame striking next turn. Just need to extend my life. I can't get a lot of good cards from Deathlord, I don't think. The best is maybe Sylvanas or something. Okay, that's really strong for him. I really don't want a flame strike. He has 5, 10, 20 exactly. If I can just deal with one of them. Maybe I sheep. Maybe I don't sheep. Yeah, well, I'll sheep. I've waited with this long enough. I'm gonna play Thorazan. He doesn't have lethal, I have a blocker. I have no way to deal with Ysera, but I have a flame strike and I have a conjurer. And I have Bran with the conjurer, so Bran conjurer might result into one or another kind of polymorph. This is gonna be a long game. Very long game. I should echo soon. Maybe I go Bran, Healbot, Conjure, Echo. That would be so strong. Only if he keeps my Thorazin up though. I wonder if he will. He probably won't. He can trade so well for it. Yeah, he's gonna just trade out. I think this is where I Bran, Conjure, and Tarzan again. He doesn't have a lot of phase damage. What's he doing? Is he not attacking? Miss an attack, please. Oh, he has 2 attacks. Oh, that's really good for me. Holy. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh my. That's amazing. Should I not echo? I could Emperor, Healbot, Echo. That's so strong though. I don't think I could lose from that point. But I really want to brand the Conjurer. Let me just think this over. Flame Strike is not an option. Emperor is nice, but not necessary. It's not necessary. Maybe I go Bran, Healbot, Conjurer, Echo. That sounds very good. Yeah. Let's discover some spells quickly. Okay, please give me good options. Nova. Okay. Go, 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 go. Polymorph. There we go. Ah, come on. Come on. Echo, echo, echo. Yeah, there we go. Oh my god. That was way too stressful. Well, I got my polymorph. Well. I think this is where I Flame Strike. And then play... what do I play with it? Nothing? King? Frostbolt. Yeah, that's fine. Maybe I keep Frostbolt for this one. No, just Frostbolt that. Unless I get too many cards as well. Oh, that's a really good card to have gotten. Wow. You can't even deal with that. That's no Ysera for him this turn. Oh my god. Okay, let's see then. Scarab. Okay, that's really terrible, I guess. We'll go Thorazin, Conjurer, I think. My cards aren't great, but I need cards on the board for KT. Flame Strike, Fireball, Flame Lance. I've used 1 Flame Strike and 1 Blizzard so far, and I don't think he has a lot more minions. And I have another Flame Strike. I think I have enough AoE. Do I have any more Discovers? Do I have another Conjurer? I think I do have another Conjurer. I'll go Fireball, I think. Why not Flame Lens? I'll choose Fireball anyway. I'm not really sure why, but time is of the essence. How did I throw so many cards? I guess 2 Death Lords. 2 Secrets. Yeah. Yeah, I see. Maybe I polymorph that. Yeah, I'll just polymorph that. Oh, that's a good draw. I'll play that. Why even polymorph that? I can just... Okay, here's what I'm gonna do. I hope it's a good play. Yeah, it's good. Oh, that's good RNG. Oh my word. That gives me another discount. Yeah. Does it? Oh, it doesn't. Doesn't it? No, it doesn't. Huh. That's interesting. Okay, he's drawing some cards. You don't even want to know how glad I am that I frostbolted that Nordshire Cleric all the way in the beginning. Yeah, I think that decided a large portion of this game. Ooh, that's something I'd like. Wait, how many cards do I have? 5, 9. I'll play 2, I get 2. Yeah, that's fine. Let's get some secrets. Ice Barrier. Spellbender. I think Spellbender is good. How close am I to... Oh, I'm very close to lethal. Maybe Pyroblast is right. If I Pyroblast, I can... Wait, I have 11 damage right now. Bring it to 13. I don't need one of them to survive. Yes, I could win with... Just after Light Bomb, I could win with Bran, Pyroblast, 1 mana Polemarth of Boar on Bran. Yeah, that's a kill. Oh, that's the Spellbender. I'll use that now. Oh, I guess I'm not hitting him to... No, I'm not hitting him to 13 anyway. No, well. This looks like it's gonna be a win anyway. Spellbend it. Nice. Not that it really matters, but still good to see that go off. Yeah. There we go. That was a pretty amazing game. Holy shit. Wow. That was beautiful. This is why I love this deck. It's so good. Oh, how long did that even take? Like 20 minutes? Yeah, that was a great game. Wow.